stationary video in 301 Ramos Street, Eastern America here. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. So we just got a rainy day and we're watching the cars go by. That's all we're doing. Got my EIS, electronic image stabilization going on. Sit here and cool out. So you can relax wherever you are and see some rain and traffic. Beautiful rain. Yeah. Eastern America here. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. No, the rain kind of cools things off. That's what I love about it.
That's why my car no need to wash it. The air walking.
That's the job of the hubby. Women normally tell the husband to wash the car.
By the way, next month we go to Lake. Are you going to go to road trip or what?
I'm not the one.
You go to
And then all the way, get me one thing.
are you coming to do a bike trip? No?
I know.
Stay. You know how to ride a bike or?
Nah, any kind of bike, I know.
I've seen her. I've seen her riding a bike. She actually pilots a bicycle, a motorcycle.
Any kind of bike, I know.
So we go with Amin, Mar, myself.
When?
You next one?
So when they come, they arrive.
They arrive 27th.
I was aerosis. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mark, always by Mark before.
Yeah, he told me that he always do the trip. So Amin and a friend is going to be here. Then I go to Manila on the 11th for Oktoberfest, but then after
Oh yeah.
we go to the like.
Oh, we're not going to Mark house, play house there.
Yes, that's why he was.
That's why I said, but we kill the pig.
Yes, we kill the pig, we find the pig, and we go to the house.
I said, what they call that? Mark, supposed to be with choose, I like it about this. Mark, choose mine. You don't know. I don't know, they have 3 houses, I don't know.
No, to buy a house is
No, I don't know, he has yeah, I don't know that yet. I go over in the province.
Don't worry about it.
Because we have to bring a house in the province three, but
We saw the ones there, maybe you buy one nice to like.
I like in Tamutis. Because only 2 hours. Then I'll go.
Like come on, Sycamore or the whole.
What you do on that?
Oh, it's like getting a furnace now. It's too hot to fit in. Too hot to fit in.